Welcome to Perry's Biology. Today we are going to discuss Development Biology Important MCQs Part 2. Here we go. First question. New relation refers to dash. Answer is a neural tube formed from a neural plate. After gastrulation, next major development in embryo is neurulation. Neural tube eventually develops into brain and spinal cord. It occurs after 3 to 4 weeks of fertilization. In mature Arabidopsis embryo, root apical meristem consists of cells derived from dash. Answer is embryo and apical suspensor cell. Here, most of the mature embryo derived from apical cell. Part of the root apex originate from basal cell as uppermost suspensor cell, that is hypophysis, become incorporated in the formation of embryonic root meristem. Next question. The transition of flowering in plants requires dash. Answer is reprogramming of shoot apical meristem. Apical meristem must undergo a change in identity from vegetative to floral meristem. Meristem is the site of floral transition that signals and convert leaf making to flower making. Question. Which of the floral whorl is affected in agamous mutants? Answer is stamens and carpels. Here, agamous mutations of AG2 and AG3 affect third and fourth whorl and causes petals to develop instead of stamens and another flower to rise in place of gynecium. Next question is, a Graafian follicle is? Answer is a mature follicle ready to ovulate. It is the follicular stage after first meiotic division but before ovulation. It contains 2N haploid oocyte. Graafian follicle forms corpus luteum and maintains implantation of embryo. Next question. During gametogenesis in male cell during development are termed as primary spermatocytes when they are. Answer is before meiosis 1. Here, primary spermatocyte gives rise to spermatids after meiosis. Primary spermatocytes are derived from spermatogonia after mitosis or diploid. Next question is, anterior posterior limb axis, that is dorsal ventral nerve plate, is determined by. Answer is sonic hedgehog. About sonic hedgehog, it is a protein encoded for by the SHH gene. The signaling molecule is key in regulating embryonic morphogenesis in all different type of animals. SHH controls organogenesis, organization of central nervous system and limbs, digits and many other parts of the body. SHH is a morphogen that patterns the developing embryo using concentration gradient characterized by French flag model. A embryo lacking bicoid is injected with bicoid mRNA at middle portion. It will result into. Answer is head will be in the middle, torsons at the both ends. What is morphogen? Morphogen is a molecule that determines the fate and phenotype of a group of cells through concentration gradient across developing region. Next, bicoid gradient, which extends across the anterior posterior axis of Drosophila embryos, organize the head and thorax. So embryo lacking bicoid results in head will be in the middle and torsons at the both ends. Next question. Root cap cells originates from. Answer is columella cells. Here, root cap cells derived from the root cap meristem pushes cells towards the cap region. Root cap cells first differentiate into columnar cells, mainly involved in protection. Next question. The lateral separation of amphibian embryo at two-celled stage will result in. Answer is identical twins. Next, bones of vertebrates are derived from embryonic dash. Answer is mesoderm. Mesoderm is one of the three germ layers. The three germ layers are ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Each germ layer gives rise to specific tissues, organs and organ systems. Mesoderm derivatives are dermis of skin, most of the muscles and connective tissues, cortex of adrenal glands and most of the skeletal and dentine of teeth. Next, alveolar cells of lungs arise from which of the germ layer? Answer is endoderm. Other endoderm derivatives are lining of trachea, bronchi, lungs and lining of urinary bladder and lining of middle ear. During development, if a cell has committed to a particular fate, it is said to be. Answer is determined. Cell fate can be defined as endogenous factors interact with adjacent cells, external long distance signals, hormones and morphogens. When eggs has no yolk, it is called as. Answer is alecithal. Example for alecithal egg is human beings. Next question. Egg laying mammals are called as. Answer is prototherians. Here, prototherians are also referred as monostremes and they are similar to reptiles in some aspect of their skeletons. Next question. Weismann's theory of nuclear determinants supports. Answer is autonomous specification. Here, Weismann's theory states that inheritable information is transmitted only by germ cells in the gonads, that is ovaries and testes, and it is not inherited by somatic cells. If any variation develops in germ plasm, it is inherited. Embryonic stem cells are dash, whereas adult stem cells are dash. Answer is embryonic stem cells are pluripotent and adult stem cells are multipotent. What is pluripotent? Pluripotent cells gives rise to every cell type in the fully formed body and not placenta or umbilical cord. What is multipotent? Multipotent have capacity to self-renew by dividing and develop into multiple specialized cell type present in the specific tissue or organ. Next question. Nuclear determinants are also called as morphogens. What is morphogen? We have discussed in question number 8. Please refer for explanation. Question. French or flag analogy defines the concept of dash. Answer is effect of morphogens depending on concentration gradient. Flag model is given by Louis Wolpert. It is a conceptual definition of morphogens. It is found in vertebrate limb development, is one of the many phenotypes exhibiting turning overlapped with a complementary pattern. Thus, French flag model provided elementary framework for pattern formation in embryogenesis. Next question. What is the correct sequence of cell fate determination? The sequence will be first undifferentiated, next specification, next determined and differentiation. Actual step in cell fate determination involves cell proliferation, cell specialization, cell interaction and cell movement. Thank you. Thanks for watching.